Bauhaus architecture style. The ugly buildings everyone hates? They were supposed to save the world. The Bauhaus movement revolutionized modern architecture in the early 20th century. Emerging from the Staatliches Bauhaus School, founded by Walter Gropius in Weimar, Germany in 1919, more than just an architectural style, Bauhaus represented a radical philosophy that merged art, craft, and technology. The movement rejected historical ornamentation and embraced industrial materials, geometric forms, and functional design. Operating until 1933, when the Nazi regime forced its closure, Bauhaus left an indelible mark on architecture that continues to shape our built environment today. The style championed the idea that good design should be accessible to everyone, not just the wealthy elite, and that buildings should honestly express their purpose and construction methods. Characteristics of Bauhaus architecture. Bauhaus architecture is immediately recognizable through several distinctive features that set it apart from other architectural movements. Form follows function, stands as the cornerstone principle. Every element serves a practical purpose, with no space wasted on unnecessary decoration. The building's exterior honestly reflects its interior organization and structural system, creating an authentic relationship between appearance and use. Flat roofs became a signature element, replacing traditional pitched roofs. These horizontal planes emphasized the geometric purity of the design and provided usable outdoor space, representing a break from historical precedent and then an embrace of modern construction techniques. Glass facades transformed buildings into transparent volumes. Large expanses of glass, often arranged in continuous ribbon windows, dissolved the barrier between interior and exterior spaces while flooding rooms with natural light. This transparency symbolized the movement's values of openness and honesty. Minimal ornamentation meant surfaces remained clean and unadorned. Bauhaus architects stripped away decorative moldings, cornices, and applied ornament, allowing materials and forms to speak for themselves. Beauty emerged from proportion, composition, and the honest expression of materials. Industrial materials like steel, concrete, and glass were celebrated rather than hidden. Bauhaus architects embraced these modern materials for their structural efficiency and aesthetic possibilities, often leaving them exposed to reveal the building's honest construction. Asymmetrical composition replaced classical symmetry. Buildings were composed as dynamic arrangements of volumes, reflecting internal functions rather than external formality. Primary colors and neutral tones appeared selectively in both interiors and exteriors, used to define spaces and emphasize geometric relationships without compromising the overall simplicity. Examples: the Bauhaus Dessau Building, 1925-1926, by Walter Gropius, stands as the movement's definitive manifesto in built form. The workshop wing features a revolutionary glass curtain wall that wraps around the corner. With asymmetrical wings, flat roofs, and cantilevered balconies, they perfectly embody Bauhaus principles. The Villa Tugendhat 1928-1930, in Brno, Czech Republic, designed by Ludwig Mies van der Rohe, demonstrates Bauhaus residential architecture. The open-plan living area uses chrome steel columns and floor-to-ceiling retractable glass windows that completely open the space to the garden. The Fagus Factory 1911-1913 in Alfeld, Germany, designed by Walter Gropius and Adolf Meyer, predated the school but established key principles. This shoe factory featured transparent glass corners and an honest expression of the steel frame, proving industrial buildings could be architectural masterpieces. Impact on contemporary architecture. Bauhaus architecture fundamentally transformed how we design and experience buildings today. The international style that dominated mid-20th century architecture emerged directly from Bauhaus principles, spreading its influence globally. Modern skyscrapers with glass and steel curtain walls descend directly from Bauhaus innovations. The open-plan offices and homes we inhabit today reflect Bauhaus ideas about flexible, functional space. Minimalist aesthetics in contemporary architecture. From Apple stores to art museums owe their existence to Bauhaus's stripping away of ornament. Educational approaches to architecture and design were revolutionized by the Bauhaus method of combining art, craft, and technology. The movement's emphasis on affordable, well-designed housing for ordinary people influences social housing projects worldwide. Sustainable architecture's focus on honest materials and functional efficiency echoes Bauhaus values. Even in digital design and user interface development, the principle of form following function remains paramount. The Bauhaus proved that modern materials and industrial production could create humane, beautiful environments. Its legacy reminds us that good design serves people, that honesty in materials and construction creates authenticity, and that simplicity, when done well, achieves timeless elegance.